we started designing the Amazing Brentwood, we knew that we wanted a place where people would gather and enjoy. And so when we designed the fountain, we knew that we had to create something spectacular.
I think what's great about the fountain is it's something that the Greater Vancouver area has never seen before. In terms of its scale, its capabilities, it really is the feature of our Brentwood Plaza. It's a fan favorite here. Waterlock for me is convenience, it's ease of use, it's being able to monitor and control things and troubleshoot right on the spot. I can turn this on, come on the show, all with a touch of a button.
One of the great things about having a device such as this is it gives us the ability to control the majority of this fountain without having to go 2 floors down. One guy can now control the fountain, basically, work on the area he needs to work on, turn the fountain on, see whether or not those repairs were warranted, and then carry on.
And coming up with simulations before it was even built, to understand what the capabilities were, to understand how far we could go with choreography and music and lighting. We really worked collaboratively with Crystal Fountains to make sure that the end result is spectacular as it is now. We've been able to work together across province, and we've been able to go back and forth. We've been able to make tweaks. The technicians have been able to come in remotely, and what we have now is just a spectacular set of shows that have been choreographed to the music that we selected. And they're always wanting to do more, always wanting to raise the bar, and they've been very successful in doing that.